These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling home to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's not with you, but I'm coming home.
Hey guys, what's up sa inyo? And welcome back sa ating video tutorial. At ngayong araw, tuturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano ba ang tamang paggamit ng charcoal powder. At ano ba dapat ang iiwasan sa paggamit nito. So, let's jump into it. So, okay, first step, bago kayo mag-apply ng charcoal powder using a makeup brush, lagi nyo lang tatandaan na huwag nyo munang buburahin yung grid lines. Kasi kusa naman siya mag-fade yan matapos nyo i-apply yung charcoal powder. So guys, next step is, bago tayo mag-start dito, nagamit ako ng makeup brush. Binili ko to sa Shopee sa halagang 100 pesos. So maganda kung gagamit kayo nito para mas ma-achieve nyo yung smooth skin tone. So guys, let's go.
Life is harder than I like to think, but it's easy when you're by my side. No point in calling, you just have to see the fundamentals of our life tonight. 'Cause I've been looking at a photograph of you, and I've been thinking about all the ways you move. This isolation got me feeling like a mood in my love. Yeah, when I wake up, I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quality, it hasn't got the right to keep, but it's a vibe.
Okay guys, the face is done, and now for the third step. Kapag gumamit kayo ng mechanical pencil, ina-apply ko yung techniques na hatching, cross-hatching, and then i-smudge nyo. Lagi nyo lang din tatandaan na mas magaan, mas better, para mas mapadali itong patungan ng patungan. And then for the step 4, kapag gagamit kayo ng charcoal powder using a makeup brush, huwag nyo munang kakalimutan na ipagpag muna to sa scratch paper. So kung okay na, dapat magaan ng paghagod. And then uulitin nyo lang ng uulitin yung process hanggat sa makuha yung tonal value. So kung nakuha nyo na yung tonal value, gamit naman ako ng cotton buds para pang blend dito. So guys, if naman kung wala kayong makeup brush, pwede na yung cotton buds. Isawsaw nyo lang to sa charcoal. As the same, dapat magaan lang. Ang patungan ko naman sa kamay is sponge para maiwasan natin na hindi makompress ang papel. Maganda itong gamitin kung pasmado ang kamay mo. And then, huhugasan ko to pagkatapos ko mag-drawing. So, guys, hanggang dyan na lang muna tayo. Bago natin ito tapusin, hapon na kasi dito. At naalala ko, 5 days ko na pala itong ginagawa. So, see you na lang ulit bukas. Bye!
Since 1995, growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years they would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been? Can we play and rewind? those other guys you choose, they don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you for so long, and it's killing me to see you there with a broken heart. If you knew, I've been waiting on you.
So guys, bago ko ipakita yung final reveal, unang-una thank you po pala sa 3K subscribers. At I hope na enjoy nyo yung video. So see you na lang ulit for the next one.
I've been waiting on